All right, Hornets, now to get to the nitty and the gritty. That means get to work. All right, so this may be your first time with Flipgrid. If you're 7th or 8th grader, you already know what you're doing. But for the new guys, 6th graders, let's cover it one more time. So right now, you should be going to Flipgrid. So you're going to click down on this button right here that says Flipgrid. Should open up and ask you to join. You're going to join with Google. Always say with Google. That's why you have a Google account with a school. You'll go in, you'll select your Google account, and that's going to take you right here, staring at my face and seeing what you got. You need to, at this point, read your instructions and see what you have to do. You are preparing to do your own speaking. Now, what you're going to do, you're going to read the instructions. You're clearly going to watch my video about me. You'll click here, and I'll introduce myself. You're going to record your intro video. Your intro video has to answer these questions. What is your name, your grade? You can read them right here. You want to go through there and you're going to prepare a response. When you're ready, you're going to record your response. You're going to have to click allow. And when you're ready to give your answers, you're going to click this little button here and start recording. If you don't remember what exactly the question was, you should be able to come over here to show topic. Click that. You can put that to the side and it will show you everything you need to say. If you want to write a note to yourself, you can click add sticky note and you can type it away and say hi to Mr. Cormier. My fingers can't spell today. So that's useful. So you can do notes here and you can look at your topic here. Make sure you know how to do this. We're going to do this a lot, and I'm not going to give you a lot of instructions on it normally. So normally you'll know. All right, so you're going to record your response. Once you have all these questions answered and you do your video, then you're going to come down here and you're going to find another student video which will have their face there. You're going to click on it and you're going to listen to them. And then you're going to respond and you're going to record your own video to them. And in that video, you're going to compare and contrast who you are and who they are. You have to answer these questions like, how are their goals and hobbies, things they want to do and things they like to do now? How are those things in common or similar to you? And how are those goals or hobbies different than what you want to do or what you like to do? Now, let's go ahead and talk about pre-scripting. Don't ever, ever, ever just record a message without planning. You have to think it out clearly. Telpass needs that. So you're going to find something to write on, or I'm using a computer, and you'll want to write down what you're going to say, like, hi, Mr. Cormier, something like that. But make sure you write it out. I will provide these in your instructions so you can see them in the lesson, but make sure that you use these sentence stems if you're not sure how to say it. If you're more advanced and you don't need all this, say it the way you want to and answer the questions. You need a little help and you got a head scratcher, can't figure out how to answer what does Mr. Cormier mean by hobbies I like, then you can use this. And by the way, hobbies are things you like doing, like playing video games. So you can use these if you need them. That is all I've got to say right now. Just make sure you read the instructions carefully. And right now at this stage, you should be planning it out what you're going to say. In the next stage, you'll actually record your message.